good, baby.
I stand by that statement.
On the side with past John.
Mm-hmm. Past John knew exactly what future John was gonna say. I have to keep that in your house. Dude, and then we can do like rivets, dude, like all throughout, like the whole thing will be rivets, you know?
Like a B-52
dude, like a B-52 bomber with like the shark mouth on it.
I was thinking like the blue star with the circle.
Star of David, maybe?
Okay, yeah, sure.
It's up to you.
Whatever it takes.
It's your build. This is your build.
The people want to see you.
I think if Craig allowed me to spend money like I want to, we'd have more views, dude. Okay? I think if Craig came to this stuff more, I think the person that needs to be out is Craig. Okay? And you know what? You know what he's doing Sunday? Sleeping in.
I get out.
Hey, the clip and swap starts at 11. Yeah. That's like right.
You gotta leave at the same time to get there from here.
Nah. We should go together. I'll drive down here. We'll load both bikes in my van. I'll drive to Russ's shop. We'll unload them there. Ride 2 minutes to the swap. Stay for 10, leave.
That's a move.
He lives in an alternate universe. You gotta see this guy's fucking house. If I have to, I'm gonna, what? You think it's gonna hit the frame?
I wasn't worried about the frame. I'm thinking about the back head. If it comes straight down like that, she's long.
Think they're better. Everybody thinks they're better than us now. Everybody gets a panhead, thinks they're better than us. I pressure tested the gas tank and the oil tank on the shovelhead.
First try.
First try makes me think they're gonna leak.
Okay? You missed something?
The oil tank pressure tested right out, no leaks, but I'm like, there's gotta be something going on here. Something's wrong. First round draft pick, no leaks.
Right, okay.
That's good. Okay?
It was all clean metal.
Doesn't matter, Paul. Okay? Doesn't matter. You give me the cleanest metal, I'll make sure it leaks.
I was gonna ask if you were in an asylum or something. You looked like you were trying to get out.
What's up? Did you get congest?
Harry, who
are you all congest?
I'm a lot of things right now.
Are you COVID?
How do I know?
Look at me.
Spit in his mouth.
You have COVID. Let's go get you a home test. Let's get you a home test right now and do it.
No.
See if you have COVID.
I don't want to know.
Yeah.
That's part
I want to know because this will be an unsafe work environment. It's not good for me. Definitely not good for
With
you.
all the sicknesses you've brought in this building?
It's not good for Paul. Alright? It's not good for any of us. You're putting us in danger.
Paul will survive.
You're putting us in danger, okay? Andy, with Andy's diabetes, you think that's gonna
You're sounding like...
Alright?
You're sounding
Where
like...
did this come
If
from?
I had diabetes, I would be on Ozempic right now. Alright?
Oh, wait, because it is diabetes medication.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And I'd be thin, and handsome.
All the diabetic needles tell you that you get weight loss with it.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's lying.
Oh,
Because we don't say that
fraud.
we don't say that we own them.
It's called fraud.
It's deception.
We're decepting.
Yeah.
Smoke and mirrors.
Smoke and mirror.
We're decepting.
Decepticons.
Yeah. Alright, should we...
See if it screws in without hitting the top of the tank.
Well, that particular petcock,
That's gonna hit...
my rear rocker, I think.
That's gonna hit his head, for sure.
Seems like it'd go right in. There's plenty of room there.
We'll leave it in. I'll pressure test the tank.
I'm not sure if the 90s have a reserve on them.
It probably won't, but like I said, I've got the small reserve bottle in
With it
there.
all the way back there.
I just won't run out of gas ever now.
I haven't had reserve. We haven't had reserve on gas tanks in God knows how long.
Yeah, and you've run out of gas.
I run out of gas all the time.
It's on the internet.
It's not
You
good.
committed.
We can do that.
You are liars,
We
see?
can do that whole trip CGI.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Greg, think about how money you'd save.
I'll just go and holograph you guys in.
You go. Represent us.
All right, cool.
Take the shovelhead. Whatever bike wins, you can have it.
Awesome.
But you also have to give it to us. shampoo.
The finger split is hilarious. We're good.
Did you know it was going to be like this when you went into business with him?
Yes. He's usually just as fired up as I am.
I'm being
He's,
cautious.
he's just being realistic.
Yeah.
Just run the pen ahead so we can see the stuff.
You want to ride it?
I would love to.
You haven't ridden it yet.
I would love to.
Dude, look at Andy's new tanks. The bike's gonna be so much cooler. Dude, when you show up at the swap meet, everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, dude.
I'm going to look even fatter on the bike with a slimmer tank.
Oh yeah. I mean, you look pretty big on there anyway.
That's what Ozempic's
What the
for.
Bro.
We keep that tank.
You definitely don't.
We keep it.
Usually when you have to pump it up, the plunger goes way down. It's not doing it.
I'm
taller than you?
I'm 5'6".
I was pretty damn close. It's a little shorter than
Fair.
me.
You said 5'4" first.
I did.
How big's
The piece? It's medium regular. Alright? What's he might?
That's it.
You got it?
I got it.
What? You alright?
Ew.
Oh, I smell it.
I
So
smelled
bad.
it when we were testing the gas.
Yeah,
I thought so too.
I smelled it when I was in my van by myself, and I was like, I'm gonna put deodorant on, and then I was like, nah, fuck them.
I smelt it outside and thought it was the Mekong.
Hey, we could.
Done. No, we can't.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep going. I think I know what's leaking. Everything. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Time to rip it apart. What do you want to ride?
I don't care.
What do you want to ride?
I don't care.
This is the funnest bike ever to ride.
Is it?
I don't know why everybody hates on it.
It's awkward.
It's the best.
I don't like the clutch. I don't like the velocity stack.
Oh, you're not gonna have fun with it.
Oh, you're gonna hate
I'll be
that.
fine.
You're gonna hate that royally, but it is a mousetrap, so better setup for you.
That was the only time I've ever ridden with a rocker clutch.
It's not even really set up
No.
correctly, so.
Is Adam Bernard gonna be happy with this one?
Yeah, he's gonna probably want to change the seat.
He's gonna want to change the fender. Why would you change the seat?
Slide off
I'm
the
gonna
back.
bend it in half, a little on the heavy side.
Not that buffalo butt of yours. That thing ain't bending nothing in half, dude.
Buffalo.
Doesn't that mean big?
Huh?
Doesn't that mean big?
Buffalo butt?
Yeah.
It can be whatever you want it to be.
Hairy? That's a hairy ass.
It's a hairy ass. It's gonna start. They're like just not ready, like deep fried. Oh, the Daytona's the.
I'm an honest man. I'm an honest man. I'm an honest man.
I mean, you can at least see what's going on.
Just take the whole primer. Can we get the whole primary off? I have tools.
There's so many screws.
Just take the derby off.
Hey, should we just bump start it?
Rip them a toot. Losers. Turn the fuel on.
How's the clutch feel shifting? Everything fine?
We're good, baby. We're good. That scared me.
Raffle bike.